Today, we're going to walk you through how to operate two of the RT100's core features, the lift and the dump. I'll show you step by step on the RT100, so be sure to watch until the end. The RT100's truck bed carries your load. You can open the tailgate by releasing the latch. Depending on the task, you can use the lift or dump function. Always check that the tailgate latch is locked. There are guards on both sides of the bed. Push down to release the lock, and the guard will rise. This feature is useful when you need to stack cargo higher and move it safely. Let me explain how to operate lift function. First, with the ignition switch turned on, set the lift or dump lever to the lift position. Use the up and down switch or the remote control to raise or lower the bed. Keep these safety notes in mind. Maximum lifting capacity is 200 kilograms. Do not exceed this limit. Driving with the bed raised is dangerous. Always lower it before driving. Here's how to operate dump function. Turn on the ignition and move the lever to dump. You can then use the up and down switch or the remote control to dump the load or bring the bed back down. Now let's talk about the stopper pin, which locks the bed in place during maintenance or work, so it won't move unexpectedly and ensures safety. When you lift the truck bed, you'll find a stopper pin on the left side of the frame. For lift operations, you can insert the pin on either the left or right side. For dump operations, the pin can only be secured on the left side. Once finished, return the pin to its original position and continue normal operation.